Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. We're back! After almost a month in the Philippines and spending our time in the farm, now we are back here in Hong Kong. So here, you can go down here and sit over here watching the sunrise or the sunset. Ito nga ba? Up here. Pero hanggang dyan lang. And then there. Up to there. So, ilang kilometers kaya ito? Ilang kilometers kaya ito? Ang haba pala, Ayan, yung stone. Tapos ano ka sa trees. Nakalilim. Di ba ang ganda? Magkwentuhan muna tayo. I miss the farm. Yes. But I also miss the life I have here. So, I am torn basically between two good places. And I know I am happy na I have the opportunity, the time to go to the farm, and also now I have the time to be here. Napakaliit na farm, maliit lang na taniman, but it gives so much joy in Lola Mirai's heart, and I am thankful. Ipapasyal ko kayo ng bongga kasi simple lang yung life doon, pero meron na rin kami tanim na sibuyas, bawang, luya, gabi, kamatis, and hopefully next year we will complete the vegetable in the Bahay Kubo. I'm looking forward to plant the paminta, the pepper. And also, I would like to, meron na rin palang grapes. Diba? In our backyard, to put few trees, fruit-bearing trees like the pink and the red guavas and makopa. Because that one, and the dwarf na duhat na ang lalaki doon ng bunga na, ayan. Meron din tayong seedless pomelo. Wow. And the person said that in a year, it will bear fruit. Hopefully, tama siya. Ang babaw ng kaligayahan ng Lola Mirai, diba? Hopefully, mag-enjoy din kayo when I show you those that we have planted in the Lola Mirai's mini farm. Yan ang lolo, Yan, masipag talaga maglakad yan, Laging niyayaya ang lola. To build the stamina, the body resistance. See, ang lolo kasi parang mas maginawin, saka parang mas thankfully hindi kami nagkasakit sa Pilipinas when we stayed there for almost a month, kahit na puso yung sakit. Pero pagbalik namin dito, nasipo ng lolo, naubo, and ang Lola Mirai nakalibre. Hopefully, hindi tayo magkakasakit. Ganda, I like this. I love this one. Ganda, So now we have to walk the stairs. No. Slowly. Now we are on top of the bridge. Hininga lang lola. Pero nakita mo naman, apakaganda ng paligid. This is newly opened, I think. And this is the first time that we came to this place. Maganda, maliwalas, and maraming tanim na halaman. Siguro isa yun sa why I find this place really, really nice. Pipits tayo. Pipits na daw. Sit like this. Oh, napawisan na pati ilong ng lola kahit na malamig. Ang galing. It's really nice over here. I'm happy that today we have experienced the long walk over here. I don't know where this will lead us through, but I think that's fine. We met one couple, and they are also just walking around, touring around. Actually, they are tourists, and we just met them here. They're just also walking around, same as Lolo and Lola. Maybe. So, I think this will be the end of our video for today. We will keep on walking. Malayo pa and pawis na ang lola. Pinawisan na. So, until then, ingat-ingat everyone. Take care and God bless. Bye!